Namaste student, myself Devananchika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. My course teaching is BTech FBT, first trimester, and the subject is Fundamental of Microbiology Lab, and today's session is growth study of microorganism. So growth is defined as increase in all cellular constituent or increase in the mass of single cell. If a single bacterium has been inoculated into a flask of fresh liquid medium and incubated, the bacteria will pass through the four phases. So the four phases are lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and last one is decline phase. So there is decrease in time. So growth is also increase. When the time is increasing, the growth is also increase. In log phase is a period in which no growth or multiplication occurs. Is represent as a time when the inoculum are adapting themselves to certain growth condition like pH, oxygen, media, etc. in the new environment. This phase is long if the culture is old, damaged, or grow in any other media conditions. Then second, our phase is log phase or exponential phase. This is the only phase in which microbial population is growing at a maximum rate. In batch culture, due to the addition of media only one time, the microorganism will have to pass through all the four phases, whereas it continuous culture due to continuous addition of media and inoculum. The microorganism will never come in a stationary or decline phase. So in continuous culture, growth is continuous, lag and log phase. Then third stage or phase is stationary phase. In this phase, microbial population should be constantly just equal to log phase. It is due to the lack of food or lacking of essential nutrients or accumulation of toxic products. And then last phase is our decline phase. In this phase, microbial cell begins to die or decrease just half of the log phase. The microbial cells die at a faster speed than the new cell formed. Then the death phase is due to the following reasons. The first reason is depletion of essential nutrients. Then second is accumulation of antibiotic. Then third is autolysis. In this, one microorganism kill another microorganism. Then we calculate the growth rate. Calculation of growth rates was first done by Jacques Monod. So given the name Monod equation, which is mathematical model used for the growth of microorganism. In this, mu is equal to mu max into speed upon Ks plus S. In this, mu is specific growth rate constant of microorganism. Then mu max is maximum specific rate of microorganism. Then S is substrate concentration. Then Ks is constant, which is 0.5. Then this equation was first used by environmental engineering. Then this is the growth study of microorganism, in which we study the growth phases of the microorganism, how organisms are grow and how they comes to the depletion phase. So this is all about the microorganism growth study. So if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.